we're going to look at what they call relative major, relative minor. For example, okay, let's first title them. We're going to look at relative major, and we're going to look at what is its relative minor. Okay, this is quite important as well because it's going to help you later with scales and understanding certain things. Now, it's all about your scales. Let's look at the C major scale. The notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You cool with that? One more time. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if I play the A minor scale, A natural minor, I'm going to have these notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. One more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now let's write down those notes and have a look what is similar and what's different. Okay, so if I use, for example, C major, and I use, for example, over here, A minor, the notes in C major were C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You agree with that? Let's put a dividing line down the middle over here. There we go. Make the C look like a C. Tell my dog not to bark. And then the A went A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now check this. Same notes. So if they have the same notes, we say they're related. Very, very important. Okay. So all relative major and relative minor means is that they contain the same notes. But majors normally refer to as a happy sound. So if I play your C major scale, it's a very happy, nice and positive vibe. If I play the minor scale, a bit more darker, a bit more sad. So it's an emotion related. So ballads and sad songs will more than likely have a minor feel to it. For example, there's A minor. But if it's a happy song, you're going to have major, A major. You hear the difference? Dark and sad, happy and positive. Okay, so it's just a terminology difference, but it's nice to see how they're related. So just because a song is sad doesn't mean it can't contain a major chord. It means the overall feel is major or minor. Okay, now we can introduce this little lad over here. Over here is the major key. Let's put it in the key of C. You can see this little thing slides around, which is pretty cool. And there it says minor key A, and that's what we just proved. C major is the same as A minor. Very important. Hold on to this. We're now going to say, well, okay, let's take the key of D major because we can. And we're going to take B minor, and then we're going to start seeing comparisons. D major has the notes D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, and B minor goes B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Again, the same notes. Now, there are harmonic and melodic minors not in this study. We're looking at what they call the natural minor, and no, we did not get an unnatural minor. Okay, this is the natural minor, also known as the Aeolian mode. Time for another day. But we can see those two are also related. Let's get this little slide rule thing over here, and we say, well, okay, we played with D. Let's see what happens if I take D to the major. Hey, minor scale is B. Okay, so what we're learning from this over here is that what on guitar, okay, whatever your major key is, whatever the major key is, you go down 3 frets, okay, and that will give you the minor key. Okay, so for example, I'm working practically on the guitar now, and I think, well, okay, fine. I've got C over here, and I play my major. And I go down from there, 1, 2, 3, there's my minor. If I was playing in the key of A flat major, I'd count 1, 2, 3, and there's my minor. And of course, that's reversible. If I have my minor key and I say, well, what's my major? And I say, well, G minor. Okay. This time I'm already on the minor, so I must go up 3, 1, 2, 3. And there's my major. So it's as simple as that. 3 frets. From major, it goes down 3 to the minor. And if you're on the minor, you go up 3 frets back to your major. It's as simple as that. And that's what this little page over here is demonstrating. Whatever key you want. So if someone said to me, I want the key of A, you just say, fine, let's go to the key of A. A is opposite the major, and there's my F sharp minor key. Someone says, but Eric Clapton played that song in E minor. Not a hassle. Go to minor, and I say E. Hey, he actually played it in G major. Even though it might have had a minor feel because it's a sad song and probably opened on a minor chord, it still had the same notes, and that's what's important over here. Even though the mood might be major or minor depending on the chords used, you would still have relationship between the two containing the same notes. I hope that makes sense. We're going to send you some questions for this, and looking forward to see you on video number 4.